Now this is the old tree branch that a woodpecker named Flick likes to hang around in. And recently I saw something very strange. There was another bird up there, a female, and he was feeding her. This is weird. I've never seen this before. But take a look at this stuff. So she comes to the feeder and he's feeding her seeds at the feeder. And this goes on for a little bit and I'm not quite sure what to make of it. Now she's eating on her own and she shows up at the feeder all by herself. Kind of interesting. So I'm trying to figure out what all this means. Is she handicapped? Is this regular mating stuff? I don't know. So here's the new guy. And these guys are menacing to this poor new fella. And oh, geez, there he goes now. He's not taking any bull from anybody, is he? Now this little handsome fella is somewhat fearless. He's, oh boy, there's an ominous thing right there. Will he back down? Oh, I don't think so, my friends. But he remains courteous to the female cardinal. Nice. So there are now 2 male red-bellied woodpeckers and 1 female. I'll keep you posted, see what happens.